In this video, I will show you how to add paper money to your Cash App account using the latest version of the app. Now, this feature is useful if you'd like to add cash to your balance so you can send money to someone or use a Cash App card for purchases. So, to get started, open Cash App on your device. Make sure you're on the Money or Balance tab. Scroll down until you see Deposit Paper Money, and then tap on it. Now, if this is your first time using the feature, Cash App may display a few instructions before showing you a map of nearby participating locations. You will be able to add cash at participating retailers such as pharmacies, grocery stores, convenience stores, and other supported locations. Now, once you arrive at the store and are ready to make your deposit, tap Show Barcode. Since the barcode expires after a short time, it is best to generate it only when you're at the register. Now, what you will do next is show the barcode to the cashier and let them know you would like to add cash to your Cash App account. The cashier will scan the barcode, ask how much you'd like to deposit, collect your cash, and provide you with the receipt. Just keep in mind that Cash App charges a $1 processing fee for each paper money deposit. The minimum deposit amount is $5, while the maximum is $500 per transaction. The processing fee is deducted from the amount you deposit, so your available balance will reflect the deposit minus the fee. Most deposits are processed within a few minutes, although the exact timing may vary. Also, remember that the cashier must scan the barcode, and swiping your Cash App card won't work for paper money deposits. But if you don't see the deposit paper money option, the feature may not yet be available for your Cash App account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.